In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update everything safely in WordPress so your website stays secure, fast, and fully functional. Keeping your plugins, themes, and WordPress core updated is one of the most important maintenance tasks you can do, but it needs to be done the right way to avoid breaking your site. I'll walk you through the exact steps to update everything safely inside your WordPress dashboard. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical WordPress tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin area. You can usually do this by going to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin and entering your login details. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Dashboard, then click on Updates. This is the central place where WordPress shows you all available updates for the core software, plugins, and themes. When you land on the Updates page, you'll see different sections. At the top, you may see a WordPress core update if one is available. Below that, you'll see sections for plugins and themes that have updates ready to install. Before you begin updating, it's always a good idea to make sure you have a recent backup of your website. If your hosting provider offers automatic backups, confirm that one has been created recently. This gives you peace of mind in case anything unexpected happens. Now, scroll down to the Plugins section. You'll see a list of plugins with available updates and checkboxes next to each one. To update everything efficiently, select all the checkboxes under Plugins. This tells WordPress you want to update all listed plugins at once. After selecting them, click the Update Plugins button. Once you click Update Plugins, WordPress will begin updating each plugin one by one. You'll see a progress screen showing which plugin is being updated. Do not close the page or refresh your browser while this is happening. Wait until you see a clear success message confirming that the plugins have been updated successfully. This step is very important because leaving the page too early could interrupt the update process. After your plugins are updated and you see the success confirmation, scroll to the Themes section on the same Updates page. Just like with plugins, you'll see checkboxes next to each theme that has an available update. Select all the checkboxes under Themes, then click the Update Themes button. Again, WordPress will begin processing the updates. You'll see status messages as each theme is updated. Be patient and wait for the final success message before navigating away from the page. This ensures that all files are updated correctly and completely. If a WordPress core update is available, you can also update it from this same page by clicking the Update Now button under the WordPress section. Core updates are critical for security and performance, so it's recommended to keep them up to date. Just like with plugins and themes, wait for the confirmation message before doing anything else. Once everything shows as updated and successful, take a few moments to visit the front end of your website. Open it in a new tab and quickly check your main pages, menus, and any key functionality. This quick review helps you confirm that everything is working as expected after the updates. And that's it. You've now learned how to update everything safely in WordPress directly from the dashboard under Updates by selecting all plugin and theme checkboxes and waiting for the success message before leaving the page. Regular updates help protect your site from security vulnerabilities and keep it running smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.